But new fact has been brought into the knowledge, my lord. This road has already been handed over to the NHAI in the 2019.
Whosoever has acquired.
So the
रिक्वेस्ट है सर, सर मेरा पावर जो है अमाउंट को पास करके फॉरवर्ड करना है। अब मैं 3 बार रिमाइंडर भी दे चुका हूँ।
Why you have acquired the property without the legal procedure? Was it your personal property? Then आपके पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी में यदि ये उठा के ले लेता है तो व्हाट यू विल डू? वो बोलेंगे हमारे दादाजी से पूछ के किया था, दादाजी यूएसए में रहते हैं, वहां पे चिट्ठी लिखा हुआ है। उसी टाइप का वो है डिफेंस। अब दादाजी पैसा भेजेंगे तो दे दूंगा, मैं तो खाली एग्जीक्यूट किया हूं। If you have executed, you have flouted, I will frame the charge against him.
No, Lord, he is executed to represent respondent number 2 in this matter, my lord. Now respondent number 2 is present here, and he has forwarded the same to the chief engineer, and chief engineer also forwarded for making payment of the enhanced amount to the NS division, my lord, regional officer NS division. But new fact has been brought into the knowledge, my lord. This road has already been handed over to the NHAI in the 2019.
Whosoever has acquired.
So the NHAI has to make appropriate submission in this case, my lord. So
Who has to pay?
and he is necessary party in this matter also.
You can't say that I have done and now it has been, I have handed over the baton to someone and he is responsible. If he is there, he has to pursue. It is not his private property that you someone's property. Logic is, if you have taken the property, pay it. That's all.
We have forwarded. If my lord want to peruse this document, not
उनको दीजिए ना, हमको क्या दे रहे?
देख लीजिए, हमने फॉरवर्ड किया है।
हमने चीफ इंजीनियर को फॉरवर्ड किया।
ये वही लेटर है, बता रहे हैं कि हम चीफ इंजीनियर को फॉरवर्ड कर दिए पेमेंट के लिए।
So I can do that only because I am executive engineer and I am responsible for making payment, my lord. So
let him go inside the jail. चार्ज फ्रेम कर देते हैं।
मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है सर, मेरा पावर जो है अमाउंट को पास करके फॉरवर्ड करना है। अब मैं 3 बार रिमाइंडर भी दे चुका हूँ इसका। चीफ इंजीनियर ने फॉरवर्ड किया आरोप को।
Chief engineer is not doing, he will not run after the chief engineer. Why you have acquired the property without the legal procedure? Was it your personal property? Then आपके पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी में यदि ये उठा के ले लेता है तो व्हाट यू विल डू? वो बोलेंगे हमारे दादाजी से पूछ के किया था, दादाजी यूएसए में रहते हैं, वहां पे चिट्ठी लिखा हुआ है। उसी टाइप का वो है डिफेंस। अब दादाजी पैसा भेजेंगे तो दे दूंगा, मैं तो खाली एग्जीक्यूट किया हूं। If you have executed, you have flouted, I will frame the charge against him.
No, Lord, he is executive engineer. The limited power is vested to him, Lord.
Forget about everything. The thing is, the whole spirit of the order that if you have taken the property, pay that. That's all.
Lord,
इतना ही तो है।
इसमें यही बताना है Lord कि इसमें जो who will make the payment, Lord. I am just forwarding as authority. I have submitted the document. I have made pass the payment and forwarded to the same to the chief engineer. Our acquisition is made by the SDO revenue, who is the competent authority of land acquisition. So the competent authority is to make payment to the ministry.
Who will pay?
The Ministry of Roads. Right now, my lord, the NHI will make payment. We have Mr. forwarded the copy to the Dhinaj Warankhede also. The NHAI has acquired the property in the year 2009.
Who will pay? सीधा पैसा कौन देगा?
Yesterday, I received a letter from Ministry of Road Transport. Here, this case, the acquisition was done by the Ministry of Road Transport, and the amount was already paid. The compensation which was computed by the SDF is already paid to the petitioner. The question before this court, my lord, he filed an arbitration before arbitrator. Ex parte award was passed. Enhanced compensation is till date. It was not paid to the petitioner. That is for he filed a writ petition before this court for execution of that particular award. Yesterday I received a letter. This letter is with a senior, my lord. I came to know that.
Place it on record.
My lord, this particular road which was constructed by Ministry of Road Transport. Thereafter, in 2019, it was transferred to NHA. The amount which was initially computed is already paid. Here, the commissioner registered the case in 1 day, and within the 7 day disposed of without notice to NHI.
That you get it satisfied.
Yes, my lord. That's a different part, but here the NHI is satisfied. We'll place this record, my lord, before this.
So how when the amount will be paid, and who is the officer here?
The initial
you are appearing.
I'm not appearing, my lord, on this. I'm the assistant senior because yesterday I received a letter, my lord.
The due development. Yesterday, the letter has been sent to me. This road has been handed over to the NHI on 18th of December 19 my lord. So
Hmm.
this, I will place this copy on record, and who is the competent authority? The complainant will make party to the responsible authority, and who is the competent authority to make payment, my lord. He has to make payment, because I have executive engineer only, and I have a limited power, my lord, and I have passed the bill. Now make at least I have already brought in record. तो हाँ, सिर्फ पास करने के पावर है, मैंने पास कर दिया, फॉरवर्ड कर दिया, then it will forward to the RO also. Now RO will forward to the
Why
ministry,
that-
my lord.
You make him party. The thing is, you have to catch hold of the person who is paying.
Hmm.
Catch hold of even
Same
if-
thing, sir.
if I send him to jail now.
No
for
purpose will
3
be served.
months, Purpose. It's not that it's not. It is totally over. It's exonerated. He's still in the charge. You see to it later.
Not-
Place it.
I will place in record.
सेम थिंग यही था पहले एसडीएम ने भी
apply
यही
your
कहा कि
mind.
पेमेंट ये करेंगे
Apply your mind.
लॉर्ड्स
And so in person, there's time to place certain documents. Let it be placed on record. List it after week after next.
Presence be dispensed.
Presence is dispensed with. So and
Yeah.
so.
Oblige, my lord. Lord, इसको 4 after 4 weeks है, ताकि हो सकता है NHI चाहिए और
My lord, I have a suggestion. You pay me after 4 weeks. Meanwhile, I will just talk with the NHA officer. If it is possible to disburse, then I will just try it. In case,
Disburse the amount. That's all.
my lord, I will try.
Disburse the amount.
Definitely, I will try. It may be after 3 or 4 weeks, my lord.
Otherwise, the framing charges.
Milord.
I'll be framing charges. Whosoever is
My lord.
may be responsible, someone else will send whatever may be, whatever be for us.